everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Katjamacabreteaching, better known here as the Yogi vocal coach, and today we are getting into some warm-up goodness. Now, this is the last warm-up I'm going to post before we jump into our whole section of cool down videos. So if you are wanting cool downs, don't worry, they are coming super soon, but for now, let's jump into the details. So today's warm-up routine is all about relieving tension in the face. Now, some of you might know I recently had vocal fold surgery to remove a cyst on my vocal folds that have been growing there for 12 years. Now we're getting into the idea of relieving any tension that I might have had and that you might have. Tension in singers is totally normal. It's just something that happens over time if you're using your voice quite a lot. So this technique's all about getting it nice and loose and relieving some of that. For this exercise, you are going to want to keep your face super relaxed, almost like we're doing a lip trill or a lip bubble, and you are going to pop your tongue between your lips. Now, you don't want to bite it, you don't want to make any hard shapes with this tongue, almost like you're going to blow a raspberry, a bit like that. We are going to jump 1, 5, 1 and come back again. Just like that. So that's where that's sitting. That's our exercise today. Keeping everything really relaxed. You're not going to be overdoing it. Remember to support, standing or sitting, head over shoulders over knees over toes. We're starting in E. You're going to be, it's quite low. So da da da. We're going to jump 5s. Raspberry tongue. Click's going to count us in. Here we go. Last one. Really well done. Okay, let's do it one more time. You've got this. Here we go. Click counting us in. Nice work, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, leave a thumbs up, and comment down below letting me know how you are going to incorporate this into your warm-up routine. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my warm-ups playlist, and if you're feeling like it, why not make your own? I also offer private tutoring, so if that's something that interests you, I teach Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesdays. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. But for now, keep looking after those lovely voices of yours, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.